When it comes to trying to create a design for a web development project, if you're trying to stay within a limited budget, the most important thing to remember is that there's beauty and simplicity. You don't have to be going after the industry heavyweights. You need to get something that conveys your brand forward and can always be built upon. So keep things simple. Make decisions early on with the underlying theme in mind. A commonality you always hear me talk about when it comes to maintaining limited budgets is to not reinvent the wheel. A lot of the e-commerce platforms today have pre-built themes that have been created by leading agencies such as ourselves, which we can customize to fit a brand need and cuts down on literally hundreds of development hours, which in real terms means tens of thousands of dollars in savings. As well, design and front-end teams should be really well connected. It means that your creative director internally at the brand should be in good communication with your agency's design leads throughout the process to make sure that early on we make decisions that we don't have to go back and fix later on. When you're looking at agencies, make sure that you're working with a really well-vetted team that has worked in your industry previously and therefore, quite honestly, probably has some design assets that they've used with other clients that, once again, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. And the final tip is to early on set sort of design reviews. Establish what the site's going to look like and make sure that it's approved by all stakeholders within your company prior, because the worst thing that possibly can happen during a web design project is that you get halfway through the build and then all of a sudden your CEO, another key stakeholder, says, whoa, I don't like the look and feel of this. And at that point, you're scrapping literally tens of thousands of dollars worth of development and design hours that had the communication been good from the start, we could have avoided this. Going from this, the next video, I'll probably talk a little bit about how you actually bring this development into fruition.